Survival can teach a lot to man, and in terms of lesson, Ravi, a young Gujarati boy, now who is known as a lingo kid on the net, is a live example of what survival can teach to a man. Ravi is all over the internet, sells peacock feathers his grandmother makes to the tourists of Mumbai's hanging gardens. He was 8 when he started selling feathers and could not speak English. In a few years, Ravi could rattle off a sale in more languages than the Pope, and with a faster tongue and sharper accent. He's full of fun facts too, such as the seasons in which various nationalities prefer to travel. Spaniards and Italians, he says, loves to visit Mumbai in the monsoon. He has an interesting story. He didn't want to go to school because there he could learn just English. Whereas out on the street, he picked up more than 10 different languages. If ingenuity of Mumbai street hawkers and pavement peddlers needed a poster boy, Ravi, the lingo kid, would be it. So please put a hand together for Ravi, who has come all the way from Bombay.
Hello, good evening everybody. Nice to meet you. Nice to see you here again. Means I never seen in my life. I like come this place and I talk about my the future and about my story, the selling the products, these things, and all I see learning in the hanging garden with my grandmother. And I've never been in school, and this is my family business very old. My grandmother selling like 35 years ago the hanging garden selling these products, and I am going to mean selling that place 10 years ago. So what I learned the 10 years in the garden means just sales and about many the garden story and all the language, English, French, Italian, German, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, Arabic, Iranian, Russian. I know that I work my business like this, my product like this is selling this family business. But from like I am this guy, the one my family I like to sell these things, you know. So I never been in school. My future means my future is this is selling these products, and here that place many people coming that the garden, and 10 years ago in the garden I selling these things. So how I learned all the language is how I say the people and how I say the means for the starting. First I learned the first future. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 means how much 100. Anybody ask me how much? Oh, very nice peacock. And how much? 100 rupees. Okay, $2. Oh, I see, very nice. First I learning this, and then and this park I coming the many country people and many country people come that time also coming. So all the seasons starting the first rainy season, the what is Arabic, Iranian and Spanish much, and after 2 months the behind the monsoon first and 2 months middle one not much people coming to in the garden. So 2 months I going to back my home to make it this fair and whatever this different design I like it, and that is the fair too. Last month the monsoon I coming to sell because the winter season many country people coming. So the people first is coming. I say hello, yes sir. You want the pickup fan? It's one dialogue like a small one. You want the pickup fan? Walking Indian air condition, very nice. The Indian AC like that. You know the people is happy. Oh wow, this is very nice AC, Indian air condition. Ah, I like it. I have to come back with the garden. Maybe I buy for one for you. Okay, sir. Thank you. So the people have no guide, no anybody to means garden story. So I think the people is taking photo and we don't know. We want some the garden story. So the people like coming to garden. I say yes. Hello sir. You know the why called the hanging garden? Why it's called the hanging garden? Because the hanging garden underneath is water tank, you know the water reservoir, and the ground is 30 million gallon water, and gross water supply the Rashikanta area from here in the garden. And you see that all the tall trees, the huge one, the outside the garden, inside the garden any big plants, you see, that is called the hanging garden. And not hang people, just hang on tree, you know. Yes, and not big plants, all the heavy plants outside the big tree. So that is called the hanging garden. And you know the Parsi peoples, you know the Hindu religion died, this is the people in the burning, and many cultural Muslim Christian is buried. And the Parsi people died, is not buried, not burned. What is the dead people is died? Open the dead people, sleep in the well, and 3 big tower, male, female, child, 3 big section, and the dead people sleep in the well, and give the eagle to eat. So people is say, wow, you so much you talent boy, why not going to school and why not go to so much place, you very have nice brilliant mind and you life you do something like super job. I say you're right, but my job is this, is my family business, and I know work there. So what I did in my life means my family support. I am the one guy, and my father, my family, all the make it. So the any country people coming the first in the hanging garden, first I think is come from US. US people is dialogue very different, is talking very different. So many people know the US is Spanish. So much people that come in the winter season is Spanish. So I say Spanish in the fan name. Mira questo Pori al Moino Bonito Barato, non mi caro, questo piccolo a 100 rupie, questo grande, il doble, questo bellissimo, questo 100 rupie a uno, questo è 150. It is Spanish, and it is basically the Italian people also the mix coming the Spanish group. So the Italian people, mira questo bello, pavone, bellissimo, non mucho dinero, 2 euro, 2 dollari, cada uno, hasta compra uno dopo, this means come back, dopo, ok, dopo, see you. And it's Chinese. 你好吗？这个空中吗？这个你不太贵了，这个小的，这个正的，这个一个100卢比，这个大的，这个350卢比，这个不要了，再见，再见吗？再见。And English, French, Italian, German. Wunderbar, Russian pound für den einen Big Price, eins hat 100 Rupien, zwei Seiten wunderbar, Dankeschön, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wunderbar pound für den Design, that is 350 Rupien, 9 Big Price, or videos and choose. English, French, Italian, German, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, Arabic, Irani, Arabic first. Baba خريط هاوس ده خوب أنا ده سكيرة ده ولا ده سكيرة ده 100 ده زين نمونا 350 هذا سكيرة ده زين هذا استيرة ده واحد ما في هذا سبر أنا بعدين هذا استيرة ده واحد هذا ثاوس خدا بيس ولا بابا. And Iranian, much Iranian people come in the visiting the rain season also. So Irani people very different, there's very good people also and very sweet people also. So any people Irani coming, I see the one song they have, also. بورا بورا دل من خواب زار نمیخوام نیمه بورا هم شیخام زار هم زار هم سه دیگه so it's think Iranian آراش یا بابا بالگی آراش خریدی فارد هاوس نمیخوانه خریدم خوبانه بابا 100 روپیه خوبانه 350 دو طرف 350 एक तरफ 100 ना खरीदाम खुदा हाफिज ओके बाबा French, Italian, Japanese kucha kuno kariban no takai koren kucha ku kariban ne koren kunjok koren kucha koren sambak haku rupine koren haku goju ira nae sayonara arigato mas arigato English, French, Italian, Russian people first come is very nice people and first is say me no okay ni хочу ni нужно ni nada ni куплю до свидания пока молодец means you want, no want, okay, see you bye bye. Oh, how you know Russian? Сколько means how much? Это маленький 100 рублей, большой хороший 350. Не хочу куплю, один куплю, потом она куплю, потом один куплю, 350, $5. До свидания. And all I learned in the hanging garden means many people come to that park, and I think anytime in the back my future, what I do is selling this fan, very good place and very good people. And very small, I selling that time, like 8 years, like starting this my friend is selling products. And with my grandmother. And my grandmother also know all the little big language, 3, 4. And I learned it 10, 12 language. And 3 Indian language, means Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati. I'm basically Gujarati. I'm come from Saurashtra, Gadada, Swaminarayan. And I born in Mumbai. So my family, everybody living Mumbai. So everybody say the people me, you go to school first and after you come to sell. I say right, when I know I've been in school, I go to school how I learn all the 10 language. I learn the 10 language in the garden. I going to school, I never learn. But you say you very good talent, you go to night school. I say right, sir, I want to business. The evening time I'm going to 7 o'clock the house and 9 o'clock morning coming to here. So the time is not come to like the school time and not my time. But I think so I go to now, means many people told me and you also means thinking like you're not going to school. But I go to school, I want to nice something, the family people nice and me also good. So I think one thing's my future. All life I don't like to say like the street, So I want to something like a small, nice, not much, not high, not big, not huge. Small things like my life, I selling the small product, the Indian handicraft things like every people buy to use see many bungalow have the nicest drawing the handicraft and many things have in the make the handmade things and all that. So I want to like a small shop. You know, I think God is give to me nice. Here also I good working, but I think still good. I learn first here. इस हिंदी में कहते हैं कि बिल्डिंग को देख के झोपड़ा नहीं जा सकता है, मीन्स इसलिए मैं इधर ही रुक जाता हूँ और मेरे को कुछ अच्छा करने के लिए चांस ही नहीं मिलता है। मीन्स अच्छा कोई शॉप हो छोटा, उधर मैं कुछ सेल्स कर सकूँ अच्छा ढंग से और अच्छा चीज़ और ये सब भी बेच सकूँ उधर। ऐसा मेरा फ्यूचर में मैंने सोचा है ऐसा मैंने थिंकिंग किया है। थैंक यू सो मच, नाइस मीट यू एवरीबॉडी। और थैंक यू फॉर जिन्होंने मेरे को यहाँ पे लाया है, उनका नाम आत्या दीदी है, आस्था दीदी है। उन्होंने मेरे को ये सब यहाँ पे मेरे को उन्होंने सब उन्होंने बम्बई से यहाँ पे उन्होंने सब किया है मेरे लिए। थैंक यू सो मच उनके लिए भी।
So, ladies and gentlemen, a big clap for Astha as well. Thank you, Ravi.